Hello, once again, this is Learn with Robin. So today I bring for you the video is all about interactive writing. So I will discuss about templates, tips and tricks. So let's begin with that. It assesses the ability of communicate effectively in a written English language, and the typical prompt for the task may ask you the candidate to write as well. It divided two parts. First part is 5 minute and the second part is 3 minute duration. So guys, this one is not a template. It's a sample explanation. So please, you need to use when you start your interactive writing to structure your essay or paragraph. So please don't consider this is a not a template. So template I will provide you in the furthermore. Okay. So let's begin with me. This writing template, now you will get three describe an image in the beginning of interactive writing. So you will not get only one, you will get three. So nowadays they are giving you three describe the image below for 1 minute. So don't be confused, and the test takers, they don't know about that because they are new, and you will get three tasks. So please make sure, keep in mind, and be prepare yourself. And I want to give you one suggestion here. Please don't write any template because you have only 1 minute time frame and you don't have enough time. So that's why I will highly recommend to you, please write your own words. Okay. And when you get any picture, because this test, it's obviously it's English test. So that's why you will get uh, the image which belongs to the English native countries. So sometime they bring from China and sometime from Asia, but most of the time I have seen that many pics related to the English countries. So this picture related to the baseball. So let's start about the interactive writing now. This is topic, and here you can write your template. So prepare to write about 30 seconds. So you will get 30 seconds to prepare your interactive writing passage. So now you can think about like which template you want to use. So it will be enough time to overthink over here, right? Some architects prioritize the preservation of historical buildings while others focus on creating new design. So always find keywords here, right? So if you don't find keywords, you cannot write your interactive writing 5 minute within a 5 minutes. So here is a template. So now your story begins here. Find keywords like historical building and new designs, and most of that you need to mention here. Are you agree or disagree with this notion, right? Support your answers with the reasons and examples. You can provide here 2 to 3 sentences about the reasons and examples, but always start with the templates, good one, and that will save your time. So most of the test takers, they don't know how to write, how to put correct spelling. So I hope so the template will be the real game changing for interactive writing. Okay, so here is the fill in the blanks. You need to write keywords. As I told you, historical building, related to the historical building keywords, you need to mention here. So as well, good sentence structure, 1 to 2 sentences of the first paragraph line, like some architect prioritize the preservation of historical buildings while others focus on creating new design. You can write here 2 sentences, and then you can add here body paragraph 3 to 4 sentences, provide more specific advice and examples and reasons. Which perspective do you most agree or disagree? If you agree, why you agree, and then you have to provide your supporting reasons and examples. So your topic will be completed. Then here, always I will recommend to my students, always please do proofread before to submit an interactive writing. Oh, okay. So because of that, sometime most of the students, they make spelling mistakes, grammatical mistakes, templates error, many things does matter a lot here. So this task is the most difficult task in Duolingo English test, but you need to be prepare before to write this essay. So you can write as much you can, Here is no word limit. I'm repeating you again and again. So write as much you can, and it will definitely help you to get more points in interactive writing. And this template used in August, and we are launching two template sets every month. So you can contact on my WhatsApp, UK WhatsApp, and then I will provide you. So definitely we charge something, and it's not a free, but we made a template according to the student's level. So here the journey starts. Write a wait a second, because I'm writing here about the keywords, synonyms. Always you need to write synonyms. Please, I'm repeating one more thing. Don't read a paragraph in Duolingo English test, because you will be under recording, and it not allows according to the rules and regulation of Duolingo English test. So please don't try to read verbally in the real test. In practice test, you can do, but not in the real test. Okay. So always do careful about your spellings and your grammatical mistakes. Please proofread before to submit an interactive writing task. Here, one thing I want to explain a bit more about: write a follow-up response about 3 minutes, and then your interactive writing essay will be completed. So the total time duration nowadays, they are giving you three describe an image task and one interactive writing. So you will get three describe an image, 5 minute first topic, and the 3 minute is the follow-up one. So the total task will be completed here, and I'm explaining you again and again. Please, guys, do pre-fruit, and now you will get your solid answer and response. So here we end this lecture. So thank you so much, test takers, for your love and support. If you don't know how to write interactive writing, and I have missed something, so sorry for that. Please do comment in the comment box, and I will write you the correct answer as soon as possible. If you have any kind of problems, so please mention me in the comment section, so I will try to improve in the next time. So thank you so much. God bless you, and see you in the next video.